Let's go over 5 specific benefits of garden straw. Number 1, less watering. Gardeners will water up to 50% less, and that's because garden straw helps hold moisture in the ground and keeps the soil cool. This is great for the environment. Number 2, less weeding. Garden straw prevents most weed seeds from germinating. Who doesn't want to spend less time weeding? That leaves more time to enjoy the garden. Number 3, less damage. With garden straw, there is less damage. The straw helps protect your plants in the rain. They are shielded from mud splatter. The risk of diseases and pests such as tomato blight and potato beetles are minimized. Number 4, less aches. Garden straw is soft. It acts as a natural padding for the knees and joints. Your shoes will stay clean and it's soft on bare feet. And number 5, improve soil health. Garden straw will help stabilize pH levels in soil. It adds small quantities of essential nutrients back into the soil. You can mix garden straw into hard clay soil to help improve soil fertility. Garden straw makes a great compost to add to your garden. It acts as an excellent carbon material for your compost bin. And bonus, it reduces odor when added to indoor compost pails.